It's probably the best thing I got from a car boot in a long time. Hi everyone, my name's Martina. I've only got one other YouTube video up, so I don't think you would have seen me before. If you have, then that's amazing. Today I'm going to show you some of the bits I bought last Sunday, so hopefully you enjoy it. So the first thing I got is actually this yellow, it's like a turtleneck but cropped with short sleeves as well. I picked it up and it was £1, and I thought it'd be quite nice with like flares. I've not tried this on yet, so hopefully there's like a try and clip just there, so hopefully it looks nice, but I don't know, I'm not 100% on this. I think I might sell it on Depop, I'm not too sure. This is from Glamorous and it's a size small. The next thing is this white blouse, like a white shirt, and this is from Zara and it's in a size medium, so I thought maybe a bit more oversized. This was probably like £1, £2. I don't think I ever paid more than £3 for a thing unless I really loved it. This next, oh wow, I think this is stained, but this is from the brand Limited Edition and it's a size 12, and I thought my mum picked this up for herself, but apparently not because I've got it now. I just think it's a nice white top, maybe just tucked into some jeans or a skirt, you know, just even to lounge in. You can never have enough like t-shirts, can you? This thing, I picked it up thinking, oh, it'll be quite nice like chucked on with mum jeans or baggy jeans, straight cut. But then I got home and I was like, I don't know if it's actually that nice. So it's just this shirt from New Look. It's in a size 10. Is it? Where did I get? There it is. It's in a size 10. I've rolled the sleeves up because I've tried it on before and it's quite nice. I just don't know if I would personally wear it. I don't know, I might try it on once more, see what it looks like. And if not, then you'll find it on my Depop. It's this beige shirt and it's from the brand Gas. Now I've never heard of it before, so I googled it, and yeah, they do a lot of shirts and they cost about £50–60. So I mean, I paid what, like £1. I don't think I would have paid more than £2 for this. So yeah, I think the collar is quite cool just because it's so pointy and everything goes down quite low. I was actually looking to buy a shirt like this on Misguided and I think it was like £35. I feel like I'm going through all the clothes really quickly, like I don't have that much left. I feel like this video is going to be like 2 minutes long and I don't want that. I need to slow down. Hopefully the try on clips will make it a bit longer because I'm just like going through it all so quickly. Right, well, let's move on to the next item then, yeah? Very slowly. Okay, so the next item is actually a white dress. This is from Pretty Little Thing and it's a size 12 and this was £1 as well. Yeah, this is really white considering obviously it's second hand and it's a size 12, so it is a bit baggy on me. Just one of those things you need in your wardrobe for like a summer day. I mean, not that we get many of them in England, but see, that's the thing with car boots, because everything is so cheap. I feel like I can go out my comfort zone because, oh, I'll get this, I might never wear it, but that's fine because it only cost me £1 or £2, and also I can resell it. So I feel like I can be a bit more adventurous and also try different styles without, you know, spending like lots of money. So I feel like this is one of those things. This is from Zara and it's a Playsuit, and this is a size small and I really like it. It's just, I feel like if I paid full price, no, the thing is I wouldn't pay full price for this just because I don't know if I'd get my wear out of it, but I think this on holiday, maybe with like white trainers or again sandals, this is so cute, especially with like a nice tan. I also managed to find a skirt. Let me zip this up because I've not zipped it up. Managed to find this skirt and it's like a suede material. This is from Henny's. I hope I'm saying that right. Henny's collection in a size 34. So I didn't obviously know this brand. I don't know if that's silly of me. So I googled it and it turns out that it's H&M. So I'm not sure if that was like, I'm not sure, like a sister brand or just a collection they had, because it is called the Henny's. Please let that be right. Henny's collection. I've managed to find these trousers, which, well, my mum found them and they were supposed to be for her, but they were a bit too small, so then she gave them to me. So they look like this. They're just black trousers, paper bag, very wide leg, but they've got white stitching. I tried to style them for work the other day with a white jumper and I don't know, it didn't look that nice. Obviously it's summer, although you can't really tell. It's summer and this is quite a wintry thing, but I mean, how extra is this? So this cost me £1 and it's got a little tag on it, and it says Atmosphere, which means it's from Primark. I just think this is so nice, like over a leather jacket when you're a bit chilly, or I don't know, just something a bit extra. Like I can imagine going to like a ball with this on. Like considering it's second hand as well, I think it looks really good quality, and you know, you'd never be able to tell that it's second hand or even that it's Primark, to be honest. It looks really nice. It's probably the best thing I got from a car boot in a long time. And again, it's June, so this is quite a wintry thing, although I did wear it last week. So that just shows you how shocking the weather is in July right now. June, not July, in June. Look at this absolute gem. Wow. I saw this and I was like, straight away, I was like, mine. So I tried it on and mum was like, yeah, it looks really nice. And even the woman that was selling it was like, oh, you look nice, which I was like, that's so cute. Straight away I was like, I'm getting it. And you'll never believe how much this was. This was such a steal. This cost me £2. I'm still shocked. This is so nice, and it's from the brand Tissavel. Honestly, I don't know what else to say. I love it. I go to car boots pretty much every weekend, so if you like this, then I'm going to a car boots tomorrow because it's Saturday today. Right, I need to stop rambling, let me say that again. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed making it. Hopefully this video is longer than 2 minutes, and I'll see you next time. Bye!